Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We are so close. 2 issues remaining. Today we are on issue 99. And we have our parts, and these are packaged a little differently than normal, so I have absolutely no idea what's in them. So let's open them up and see what we got. Alright, for this issue we actually just have this piece. And this is the critical piece. This is the head circuit board. So with it like this, we should be able to carefully remove this. It's just pegged in, and expose the circuit board as we have just here. And now we want to take these mounting brackets and we are going to mount them up. These mounting brackets are identical, and what we're going to do is we're going to mount one here just like this, and one here kind of angled, but it doesn't really have anything to help guide us on the angle. So we'll do our best here and see what we can do. We're going to use 2 of these 6mm flanged screws to hold it in place. So it should look something like this when you're done. Alright, for the next step, you're going to need the dome. Take note of where the lightsaber tube is. And the circuit board here is basically going to slide in carefully. And we're going to use the mounts to mount it here and here using 4 6mm silver screws. Alright, and once mounted, it should look something similar to this. Alright, next up, discharge any static electricity you might have, and then we're going to attach this ribbon cable to this board. Now you notice the ribbon cable's got 2 sides, orange and black. Black is going to be facing, well, up with the dome upside down like this. And it's going to slide right in here. Now this is a little clamshell piece, so if you look at it, we can open her up very carefully, just like that. And then we will slide this in underneath here, and right on in to the circuit board. Once it's in place, we can close the clamshell, and this part will be ready to go. Alright, that was an absolute nightmare to get in, but it should look something like this once it has been successfully installed. Next up, we want to take the microphone, and we're going to plug that into the appropriate cable. Excuse me, the appropriate port here. I just got to find that microphone port cable. There it is. Right down here. We're going to bring this thing up just like this. And it should plug in right there. All right, and with that complete, that is actually the end of stage 99. All right, not terribly much to do there, but a little complicated and a big piece, what with the CPU and all. But that actually completes 99, only 1 issue to go. I don't know, I'm a little sad and also excited. I can't wait. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. and we will see you next time. Have a great day.